everybody, today we'll be making elephant toothpaste. For this experiment, we'll need soap, hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, a magnifying glass, yeast, a spoon. So you can use the magnifying glass because if you dump the yeast inside the water, it becomes alive. Step 1. Let's put the hydrogen peroxide and soap inside. So first, put the hydrogen peroxide inside. But make sure. But this is the adult part because it's keep away from the choke. Put a half of inch up to here. That's enough, Dad. Now put the soap inside. No. Okay, then we'll put some food coloring inside. Yeah. Now what do we put the yeast inside the water.
All the yeast that mix.
Then we mix it up. Huh? The yeast become alive. It's ready to eat some food. It's moving around. It's alive. Okay. Now pour the yeast inside it. See, it's rising. See, it's rising. Let's see. It's rising. It's rising. See how it works? Look, it's rising. Wow. This was called elephant toothpaste. It's something where it's like squeezing toothpaste out of a bottle. All these can be slower, but new yeast from stores can be faster than others. Yeast feels really warm. And if you use the food color, if you put a droplet of food coloring, you can see how fast it's going. Wow, the yeast is so cool. Wow, the yeast is so cool. So warm. That's it. Bye.